and good day everyone. I am Danica Bermudez and we are the group 2 from VIT Automotive Tuesday. And together with my group mate, we will discussing about the history of computer. Before of that, let me introduce my group, starting with Julito Tirante, Clares Andante, Francis Sadagnot, Jess Anthony Bornia, Rafael Magaliano, and yours truly. So now, let us understand how this event from the past made things the way they are today. Let's start learning about the computer from the year 1801 to 1890.
19th century.
In 81, Joseph Marie Jaguar, a weaver and businessman from France, devised a cloth the employer. The version of hooded card to automatically weave a cloth design. In 1822, Charles Babbage, mathematician, invented the system of powering correlated machine. A palette of correlated numbers of tables, difference engine ideas, referring a field well to a clock of the technology of the time. In 1848, the world's first computer program was a written by Adams Lovelace, also including the step-by-step tutorial on using the Babbage machine. In 1890s, Herman Hollet, an inventor, created the part of card was a card technology used a wood go to the time would go to on to start of the variant that who become IBM.
Early 20th century, 1930 to 1950. 1930, differential analyzer was the first large-scale automatic general-purpose mechanical analog computer, invented and built by Vannevar Bush. 1936, Alan Turing had an idea for a universal machine which he called the Turing machine that could compute anything that could be computed. 1939, Hewlett-Packard or HP was discovered in a garage in Palo Alto, California by Bill Hewlett and David Packard. 1941, Konrad Zuse, a German inventor and engineer, completed the Z3 machine, the world's first digital computer. 1945, University of Pennsylvania academics John Mackley and G. Presper Eckert create an electronic numerical integrator and calculator. 1950, the Standard Eastern Automatic Computer or SIAC was built in Washington, D.C. and it was the first stored program computer completed in the United States.
Late 20th century.
1953, Grace Hopper, a computer scientist, created the first computer language. 1964, Douglas Engelbart proposed a modern computer prototype that combines a mouse and a graphical user interface or GUI. 1970, the Intel 1103, the first dynamic access memory or DRAM chip is unveiled by Intel. 1971, the floppy disk was invented by Alan Shugart and a team of IBM engineers.
1973, Robert Metcalfe created Ethernet for computer connectivity. 1976, Apple Computer was founded by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, unveiling the Apple I. 1983, CD-ROMs with 550 MB capacity and the Gavilan SC, the first laptop, were introduced.
1985, Microsoft introduced Windows, which enables multitasking via a graphical user interface. In 1990, Tim Berners-Lee, an English programmer scientist, creates markup language widely known as HTML. In 1993, Pentium CPU improves usage on graphical music and personal computers. In 1995, Microsoft Windows 95 operating system unreleased. 1996, at Stanford University, Serge Brin and Larry Page of create the Google search engine. 1998, Apple introduced an all-in-one Macintosh desktop computer. In 1999, Wi-Fi, abbreviation of wireless, friendly and create, originally converting a range up of 3,000 feet.
In 2000, the USB flash drive is the first introduced in 2000. In 2001, Apple releases Mac OS X. In 2003, the first 64-byte CPU for consumer computers. In 2004, Facebook began as a social networking website. In 2005, Google acquires Android, a mobile phone OS based on Linux. In 2006, Apple MacBook Pro was available. In 2007, the first iPhone was produced by Apple. In 2009, Microsoft released Windows 7. In 2011, Google introduces the Chromebook, which runs Google Chrome OS. In 2014, the University of Michigan Micromote, the world's smallest computer, was constructed. In 2015, Apple introduces the Apple Watch, and Windows 10 was also released by Microsoft. In 2017, the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency is developing a new molecular informatics program that uses molecules as computers.